How to log out a Facebook account on other devices. This method helps you remotely sign out from devices you no longer use. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings to access your account settings. Moving forward, scroll down to the Security section. Afterwards, tap on Security and Login to view your login activity. In addition to that, you'll see a section called Where You're Logged In, showing all active sessions. Once there, scroll through the list to see all devices where your Facebook account is currently logged in. Subsequently, you'll see device names, locations, and the last time each device was active. Moreover, tap on the three dots icon next to the device you want to log out from. Afterwards, tap on Log Out to remotely sign out of that specific device. Then, if you want to log out from all devices at once, scroll down and tap on Log Out of All Sessions. Within this option, Facebook will ask you to confirm the action. Alternatively, tap on Log Out to confirm, and your account will be signed out from all devices except the one you're currently using. Once completed, you'll need to log in again on those devices if you want to access Facebook. And that's it. If this security tutorial helped you protect your Facebook account, drop a like, subscribe for more Facebook security tips, and enable the bell icon to stay informed. See you in the next one.